Clapperboard INTO. Hook. What if I told you that somewhere out there, beyond the reach of light and time, there is a place where reality breaks? A cosmic monster that eats stars, destroys galaxies, and bends the fabric of existence. I'm talking about black holes, the greatest mystery of the universe. For decades, scientists believed nothing could escape them, not even light. But what if I told you recent discoveries suggest that something may exist on the other side, and it could change everything we know about life, death, and the universe itself? Welcome to Space War. And today, we're diving into what lies beyond the event horizon, a place where physics dies, and something else begins. Part 1. What exactly is a black hole? Black holes are not holes. They are the collapsed remains of giant stars, so dense that their gravity can crush planets like paper. In simple terms, black right arrow black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners. Black right arrow, once something goes in, it never comes out. The boundary of a black hole is called the event horizon, the point of no return. Cross this line, and even light can't escape. That's why black holes are invisible. But their effects? Terrifying. They rip apart stars. They distort time. They spin space itself into a storm of gravity. And yet, this is just the beginning. Part 2. What happens inside a black hole? This is the million-dollar question. The truth? No one knows for sure. Once you cross the event horizon, normal physics breaks. Time slows. Space bends. Matter gets crushed into what scientists call a singularity, a point with infinite density. But here's the twist. Fire Einstein's theory says, if something is crushed into a singularity, white right pointing backhand index time doesn't just end. White right pointing backhand index, it may continue somewhere else. This leads to the greatest theory. Black right arrow black holes might be gateways to other universes, to other dimensions, or even to the beginning of time itself. Part 3. The other side of a black hole. Years ago, this theory sounded like science fiction, but then something happened. In 2019, we captured the first real image of a black hole. It wasn't just a circle. It was surrounded by a burning bright ring of light, matter being torn apart at light speed. And behind that light, there was darkness. Scientists now believe warning sign # black holes might not destroy everything. Warning sign # they might store it, or transfer it. Some even argue black right arrow a black hole might be a tunnel. Black right arrow a gateway called a wormhole. Imagine you fall into a black hole in our universe and come out through a white hole in another. Sounds crazy? Stephen Hawking didn't think so. In 2014, he suggested, black holes are not the end. They are a passage to somewhere else. Part 4. The theory of black hole universes. Now comes the craziest part. Some physicists, like Nikodem Poplarski, believe black right arrow every black hole may create a new universe inside it. What if warning sign our own universe was born from a black hole in another universe? Suddenly, the Big Bang makes sense. Everything exploded out of nothing, just like matter escaping a white hole. Which means, black right arrow, we could be living inside a black hole right now. Let that sink in. Part 5. What if you fell into a black hole? Let's say you're floating in space, and you fall into a black hole. First, time slows. You see the universe speed up around you. Then your body stretches. Not instantly, but gradually. Scientists call this effect spaghettification. Eventually, you cross the event horizon, and something weird happens. White right pointing backhand index, all laws of physics become meaningless. White right pointing backhand index, you might not experience death in the way we understand it. You might just shift to another place, another timeline, another version of reality. Part 6. The black hole civilization theory. But what's scarier is this. Some scientists believe black holes might not be empty. They might be inhabited. By who? If an advanced alien civilization discovered ways to survive the physics inside. Black right arrow, they could use black holes as gateways. Black right arrow as energy sources. Black right arrow as hiding places. Think about it. Black holes have unlimited energy. and nobody knows what's inside. It would be the ultimate cosmic base. Conclusion. Final hook. The truth is, we have no idea what's inside a black hole, a portal, a universe, a living cosmic machine, or something even beyond imagination. Black holes remain the greatest mystery in the cosmos, and maybe, someday, someone will go into one and come out to tell the world what's on the other side.